Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard model and the operating system because drivers match both hardware and OS. Once done, plug the keyboard directly into a known good USB port. Avoid hubs and adapters which hide device ID. Now open Device Manager. Press Windows key plus X, choose Device Manager, and locate keyboards. This step reveals the HID or vendor entry that you will update. Make sure you can see the device name or an unknown device before proceeding to driver actions. You now decide how to update. Right-click the keyboard entry and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and then scan for hardware changes. For precision, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from available drivers and point to the vendor INF if you extracted one. If Windows keeps installing a generic HID driver, download the official driver package from the manufacturer, extract it to a folder, and explicitly point Device Manager to that folder so the correct inf and sys pair. You finish by rebooting the system to let the new driver initialize, then test keys, backlight, and any macro or configuration software. If something breaks, open Device Manager, select the keyboard, and use Rollback Driver to revert to the previous version. This often restores function instantly. If problems persist, try a different USB port or another PC to isolate hardware versus driver trouble and gather model OS and driver version before contacting manufacturer support so they can help efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.